Welcome student. Today our topic is the living world of plants. Here some introduction are there. Rani and Ravi went to the market with their mom. Ravi asked his mother, "Mom, do all the vegetables grow under the soil?" But the mother answer is, some vegetables from stem, some vegetable from roots. Even some flowers are used for cooking. You know the plants. The plants have leaves, stem and roots. And his mother collected kilanelli, curry leaves, coriander leaves from the garden. That purpose is that leaves are in cooking medicinal value and aroma. Aroma means fragrance. And look at the images. This is a sugar cane and this is ginger. This is stem. This is also stem and this is the cabbage. Cabbage is the flower. Leaves. Cabbage is the leaves and cauliflower, the name indicates that is the flower, and this is the radish. Radish is the stem part of plant. Plant forms and functions. Our body is made up of many organs. Similarly, the plant there are more parts: stem, leaves and flowers. The plant are many in colors, but the characters are same. Stems, leaves are above the ground, which can easily see, that is visible our eyes, and roots is the underground, so we can't see that. And this is the part, the visible part is the shoot system and the underground part is root system. First we can see the root system. The root is the underground part and it lies below the surface area, and it has no nodes and internodes here. And the root is positively geotrophic in nature. Geotrophic means, this is a new word, geotrophic means towards the earth, and this is the below the earth. And there are roots are two types. First one is tap root and fibrous root. Tap root means that is single root. This is the main single root, and that have the secondary roots. Secondary roots are also called lateral roots. And this is the dicotyledonous plants. That means dico means that is two. The examples are plant is bean, mango and neem. Next, fibrous root system. This is the tap root is the single system, single root, and fibrous is the cluster of roots. Cluster means group of roots. These roots are very thin in size and uniform all the roots. This is the monocotyledonous. That is, mono means single, that means one. The example of fiber root is grass, paddy and moisey. The functions of the root. The roots are two types. The main functions of root is fixes the plant to the soil. That is, the plant is fixed in the soil by means of root, and it absorbs the water and minerals from the soil and store the food in some plants like carrot and beetroot. These roots also store the foods. Some examples of plant is carrot, beetroot and potato. This is ginger. Is it a root or stem? Yes, this is the stem part of the plant. Now we see the shoot system. The shoot system that have many parts. There are stem, leaves, fruits and vegetables, flowers. The shoot system is the visible part. We can see that part. The main axis of shoot system is called stem. Stem is the main system of shoot and it consists of stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. And stems grow above the soil, so we can see the stem. And nodes are the parts of stem. Here this is the part of node and this is the part of bud and this is node. The distance of two node, that is internode. Stem also have functions of the main functions. This is the functions of stem. The stem supports the branches, leaves and flowers and fruits. This is main function is support the plant and transport water and minerals from roots to upper aerial plant pods and transport the prepared food from leaves to other pods through the stem. This is the step. This is the transfer the food from stem to leaves and other pods also. Stores food as in the case of sugarcane. Stem is the one of the food storage. The example of the plant is sugarcane. Sugarcane is the stem part food. And this is the structure of the leaf. Student, look at the image carefully. This is the part of stem and this point is node and the distance of this also node. The distance of two node is internode and this part is petiole and this is the point of axillary bud. This is the full part is leaf and the center point is the center line is midrib and the side of the leaf is blade and this is the line is margin. Why these leaves are green in color? It is the reason for that have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the reason the leaves are green in color and back of the leaves have some small pores. We can't see that, but that is have small pores. That is known as stomata. Next topic is habitat. Habitat means the living place. And how do we classify the plants? We classify the plants based on flowers. Based on flower we classify in two groups. First one is flowering plants. The flowering plants mean that it gives the flower, and non-flowering plants, that plants are not giving the flower. And based on position of seed we divide two groups, that is angiosperm and gymnosperm. Angiosperm example is mango and gymnosperm example is cycas. Now we see the types of habitat. Already we know that habitat means the living area. That there are two types of habitat. First one is terrestrial habitat and aquatic. Aquatic means water. Aquatic habitat. The terrestrial habitat are three in type. First one is desert. Desert and grasslands and mountains. The aquatics are two in types. Fresh water. The fresh waters are rivers, lake, pools and ponds. And non-fresh water, that is marine. Marine means sea area. Now we see the freshwater habitat. River, lake, ponds and pools are the freshwater habitat. These are only freshwater habitat. And water hyacinth and water lily, lotus, these are freshwater habitat. These live in the river, lake. and in the fresh water. These plants are very much short length of the roots, but the stems, leaves or chamber allow aquatic plant to float in water. The stems and the flower leaves or float in the water. And then marine water habitat. Marine means that is sea water. There are 70% covered by ozones. The marine plants perform about 40% of all photosynthesis that occurs on the plant. Example, marine algae and sea grasses, moss grass and phytoplankton. Next, terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat is the area man-made area. The man-made area like farms, towns and cities also. Examples of terrestrial area plant is rubber tree, teak tree and neem tree.